Okay, finally got a nice day to start working on the truck. I have some bed patches to make. I just kind of want to take a before video. Then I'm gonna cut all this out. Let's see, I'll probably cut out I'll probably cut out up to here. So let me see, I'll come up here and then cut over to there. Then I think I'll cut. You can see the holes. It's just because the guy had a bed liner in this thing, and it just trapped the water, especially on this side. The other side ain't bad at all. It's just this side. I'll just patch it up for now. I'm kind of looking for a box so I can put it on this thing, but I'll make that as one piece. Then you can see all this seam is rotted, so my plan is just to kind of use the existing bed because I don't really see it necessary to keep the seam. This will never be a show truck by any means, so I'm gonna keep the seam. I'll cut, I'll probably cut this out here as much as I can and try to keep the wheel well. Give me a little bit less to fabricate, but I still want to get into good metals, so just so I can weld it. And up here, that's all gonna go. Like, theoretically I need a new bed, but if you make a good patch, see, that's rotten there too, see? Rust travels up a lot further than it comes out, so you kind of gotta go, you kind of gotta cut a lot further up than you think you do. So I don't know, maybe that'll be another patch or a couple of patches there. I got some nice steel, so, and I might just kind of clean that corner up too. It's not bad right now, but since I got everything, I might even redo these. I bought a new Lincoln welder, and like, I painted a lot of bikes and stuff, so I had a really kind of cheapo welder, and that's what you get when you buy cheap welders, especially just a bunch of booger welds. The thing is though, is like, it's not going anywhere, but I'll probably cut that out and give it a good bead. So anyway, I'm gonna get started. I'll cut that off. I have to get a tripod so I can do like a time lapse, I guess. So there we go. This is video number 1 of the Ford's bed repair.